Google's AI chatbot, Gemini, can quickly summarize YouTube videos. Here's how to use the feature to save time. Google Gemini, the company's rival to AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT, may not be the best or most accurate large language model, but it has some pretty useful tricks up its sleeve, thanks to integration with other services like YouTube, Google Workspace, Google Maps, and others. If you are someone who often watches videos, Google Gemini's YouTube extension can help you quickly summarize, analyze, and ask questions about the video without having to watch it. While this may not be useful for everyone, it can come in handy for those long videos you always wanted to watch but couldn't get the time for. Enable the Google Gemini YouTube extension. The YouTube extension may not be enabled by default for everyone. Also, the process is a bit different on desktop and phone. Point 1. To enable the YouTube extension on your phone, open the Gemini app on your phone. 2. Now, tap on your profile picture from the top right of the screen and click on Extensions. 3. On the screen that appears, scroll down and enable the YouTube extension. How to use Google Gemini to summarize YouTube videos. 1. Open YouTube and play the video you want Gemini to summarize. 2. Copy the URL from the address bar if you are using a browser, or press the share button below the video and copy the URL. 3. Now, open Gemini in your favorite browser or phone and paste the URL of the video. 4. In the same text field where you pasted the URL, type "summarize the video" and Gemini will generate a summary of the video in a few seconds. Google says Gemini cannot summarize all videos available on YouTube as the feature requires captions. Also, not all languages are supported, so you may get a different answer depending on the language you are typing in. For the most part, Gemini may be accurate, but large language models are prone to errors, so you might want to take the information with a pinch of salt.